All right, we're live here at Pool Corp SCP in Naples. This is about a 40,000 square foot tilt wall shipping and receiving destination for Southern Pool Corp or Superior Pools. It features a couple different things than what we're used to. Some hazardous material storage, interior tilt wall partitions made of solid concrete, and about 6,000 square feet of warehouse. So without further ado, let's take a look. Recently got our striping and parking blocks. Everything on the site has been complete as of today. So we'll go ahead and take a look on inside. Putting on some final touches with fire alarms, fire protection. Hoping to receive some inspections today. Looking to get our TCO or CO in the next couple days. This one, as of right now, floors are a little bit dirty, but we featured some polished flooring all throughout the office areas. We recessed the slab so that the tile in the bathrooms met right up without a transition. Got a little cleanup to do yet, but we'll give you guys an update shortly. It shows all that. In the warehouse portion here, we've got all of our lighting on motion sensors, so you notice as we walk through, they all come on one at a time. That saves a lot of energy. These days is super important for us and our clients. We've got exhaust fans here to help with fumes or anything due to the hazardous material or the forklift fumes. We've got the entire interior painted white. It really helps with reflectivity. Even though these doors are shut in here, it's still extremely bright. Makes for a nice touch. Over here to the left, you can see our hazardous material storage areas. Right now, we're in progress of putting in the supply and exhaust fans. Something kind of unique to this building and construction is these fans are designed to supply air from the top, and they suck the air out at the bottom. So once these are complete, they'll be about a foot off the floor, and the fresh air comes in the top, should take the fumes down to the bottom of the floor, and then the exhaust fans take the heavy poisonous gases out from the floor all the way up through the top and blast them out the side of the building safely. We have trench drains in here in case there's some type of spill. These are all solid concrete walls on the interior, so they should be airtight, watertight, windproof. And a fun fact, with these solid walls, we actually have a concrete plank roof in here with a solid topping poured on it. So if there's ever a hurricane in Southwest Florida, this is the building you want to be in. Back here, you've got the shipping and receiving area. The doors are all operated with motors, hands-free. And to the back here, you have our truck dock. In the progress of installing our railing and all of the safety features for the entire building. Hoping again to get that CO in just a few days.